Good morning, grade ones. Welcome to our second math lesson. Yesterday you completed review 1 in your workbook, and today we're going to start something new. And I have on our board some stars inside of a box. And who can tell me how many stars that I have in my first box here? How many stars do you see there? I hope you see 3. And I'm going to draw another box. And I'd like you to tell me how many stars are in this box. Right, there are 3. So we have 3 stars in the first box, and we have 3 stars in the second box. And so in the first group we have 3, and the second group we have 3. We call that equal groups. Can you say equal? Equal means the same. So we have the same number in this one and in this one. So that makes them equal groups because we have 3 stars and 3 stars. Now, if I were to ask you, how many stars do we have all together? Well, you could count them, right? So we have 3 in this group plus 3 in this group equals, how many do I have all together? 6. Great. So we have 6 stars all together. Now I'm going to have another group down here with some mice, or no, goldfish, sorry. I thought I was going to do mice, but I have some goldfish. Okay? And tell me how many goldfish, pretend this is a fish bowl, how many goldfish are in my fish bowl here? I have 3, and I'm going to draw another goldfish bowl. And can you tell me how many goldfish are in this bowl? 2. Right. So would we say these 2 fish bowls are equal groups? They are not equal because we have 3 in this one and we have 2 in this one. To be equal, you have to have the same amount in both. Okay? There are more goldfish in the first fish bowl than in the second fish bowl. I'm going to take our fish away here. And I'm going to, this time I am going to use our mice. And I'm going to draw kind of like a little cage here that we're going to put some fish in. Okay. How many mice do you notice are in the first group? 1, 2, 4. And I'm going to draw another cage. How many are in the second group? 4. And let's do one more group over here. And how many are in this group? Right, so would we say there's 4, 4, and 4? Would we say these are equal groups? Yes, because they all have 4. If I said, how many mice do we have all together? We would do 4 plus 4 plus 4. So we do 4 plus 4 is 8, and then we add on 4 more. 9, 10, 11, 12. So we would say that there are 4 mice in each group, and then if I asked you how many all together, there are 12 mice all together, okay? And we're going to look at a few more pictures in our textbook. So if you don't have your textbook, press pause, and then when you get it, we're going to open up to page 43, okay? So I want you to open up to page 43 in your textbook. And at the top of page 43, you're going to see groups of pairs, okay? And you're going to see how many pairs are there in each group. Well, if you count them, there are 5 in each group, okay? And they're equal because there's 5 in each one. So 3 5s, or 5 plus 5 plus 5, how many does that equal? Can you count by 5s? 5, 10, 15. Right, so I would say there are 15 pairs altogether. Now we're going to go down to the middle of the page and we've got another fruit. We've got oranges on this page. And how many oranges are in each group? 4. And then if I want to find out how many oranges do I have all together, I would be counting by 4s. Or I'd do 4 plus 4, which I know is 8. And then I'd count up another 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then I'd count up another 12, or another 4, 13, 14, 15, 16. Another 4, 17, 18, 19, 20. And the last group of 4, 21, 22, 23, 24. There are 24 oranges. Let's go down here to the pineapples. How many pineapples are in each group? 6 pineapples. And is there 6 in both groups? Yes, so they're equal groups. So how many total pineapples do I have? 2 groups of 6. So 2 6s or 6 plus 6. 12. You're right. So there'll be 12 pineapples. So today in your workbook, we're going to keep going where we talk about equal groups. Now, you're going to skip exercise 30 for today. We'll come back to it. And you're going to start at exercise 31 today. And you're going to see pictures, and it's going to ask you how many are in each group. So how many pencils are there in each group? And then how many pencils are there all together? Okay? And then on the second page, you get to do some drawings. So you get to fill in the fish in the fish tank and then tell me how many there would be all together. And apples, you're going to add buttons to dresses, and you're going to add flowers to the towel. Okay? So do both pages of exercise 31 today. And we'll see you tomorrow.